As you walk into our apartment, you are greeted with a doormat, and there is a set of keys and a face mask, which is my boyfriend's, so when he does go to work, he can just grab that and head out the door. Moving on to the living room section, again, we like things to be very simple, so we did pick a couch that didn't have any back pillows. Now, even though this is a very large couch for this apartment, as you can see, our only walkway towards the couch in the dining room, it still works perfect for us. Again, it's our style, it was in our budget, and it was just meant to be, because the first couch that we did order had to go back, and then we ended up purchasing this one instead. So since there's no back pillows, I did purchase 2 nice throw pillows and a throw blanket to go with the theme of the couch, and that's it. I know a lot of people will add more throw pillows. We're just not into that. Back of the couch is our entertainment setup, which is just a smart projector. It's super simple. If you don't know what a smart projector is, I do have a whole video coming out dedicated to this product, and no, this is not sponsored. I wish, because this projector is by far amazing and I have no complaints about it. We watch things at nighttime since during the day we are always working, so at night we like to sit down with some snacks, also with Milo, and we'll just watch The Flash or watch a nice movie, and it's just a relaxing movie theater vibe. And like our last apartment, my boyfriend still has the same desk, same chair. We just put it in the living room in this apartment because my workspace is in the bedroom. So we like to have separate workspace for each other. So we have like our own personal offices slash space. I know this is not your typical aesthetic minimalist vibe, but this is what works for us, and we are very happy with our living room situation. Now the dining room is shared with Milo's den. We'll get into that in just a minute, but we do still have the same exact table from our last apartment. We didn't feel the need to purchase a new table because this one works. Why fix something if it's not broken? So there's no point of us wasting money on a brand new table when this one already does the job for us. A lot of you guys are already familiar with this pot, but this is just Milo's eating station. It's right next to the dining room table. It works great because there's an outlet there for his water fountain. I have to say this, even though I'm a huge neat freak, I gave up with trying to pick up this little boy's toys and put them back in the spot that they're supposed to be in, because he will just go inside of his little house here, take them out and place them all around the house. So that's why I don't pick them up that much anymore. But anyways, this is his like play area slash chill area. He's got his scratch and post, he's got his favorite blanket. Needless to say, this is where he spends most of his time. And over here is his bathroom. Now, I know it's kind of weird to have his bathroom next to the kitchen, but it doesn't smell and it doesn't bother us at all. As for the kitchen, I'm not going to go too in depth with it because I have already made a full kitchen tour video, which I will have it linked up top if you want to click that if you haven't seen it yet. But I'm just going to go through the things that are new in the kitchen. And yes, I do have dishes in the sink. Sorry about that. But anyways, I do have some cookbooks, only 2. My mother brought those to us and they've been pretty helpful. So I do enjoy cooking a lot more now that we have a bigger kitchen than our last apartment. But like always, I keep everything nice and neat and tidy. That's just the type of person I am. I like everything to be really, really clean. Now when it comes to the fridge pot, I do have some medicine up top of the fridge along with a notebook, and this is all for Milo along with his food schedule. So having a kitten is a lot of work, but it is so worth it. Moving on to the 2 main closets that we have in our hallway. This closet holds a lot of utility items such as my boyfriend's camera gear bags, steam mop, vacuum. In that black bin is Milo's litter. And then moving up top on these shelves, you just have random things such as Tide Paws, the Bissell cleaner. In that little woven basket is just quarters for us to do laundry. And then we just have random stuff up top. So very random closet, yet everything is nice and neat. And as for the bathroom closet, we keep quite a few things in here because our bathroom is pretty small and there's not enough storage for everything. So up top is just things that came with the apartment in that Amazon box. And then there is a toolbox up there. Down below is an extra pan for Milo's litter box in case the original one breaks. And of course, speaking of Milo, this is his food area, his stool bags. In that reusable box is also clippers, his nail clippers, his combs, etc. So, needless to say, he's a very spoiled kitten. Down below is our medicine slash shower caddy section. So on the left in the light baskets is all of our medicine, ibuprofen, vitamins, things that we use here and there. The middle basket is stuff that I use, such as all my hair oils, my face stuff. The last basket is my boyfriend's stuff, his teeth things. I don't even want to call them. He has braces, so there's a lot of teeth items in there. And then on the side is our little bags that we keep our razors in and makeup and stuff. And then I do keep a mask and my keys in this closet. And you guys are already familiar with the laundry basket from our last apartment. Moving into the pink themed bathroom, I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty hard to find a shower curtain and a rug that matched the bathroom. So we went with a nude color. And we also kept the same shower caddy that we had in the last apartment. And of course, the bottom pot is mine, the top pot is my boyfriend's. I will have everything linked down below. I don't know if I've said that before, but we like to keep the bathroom super simple because it is extremely small. Moving towards the last part of the tour, this is the bedroom. It is very spacious, and this is why we loved this bedroom, is because we feel like we can breathe more in here. It's not too much clutter. We don't have bureaus, dressers, none of that stuff. We just have a mirror, a bed, and my desk, and 2 plants. And that does more than enough for us. I will have a link up top for my full closet tour I did a couple months back. Nothing much has changed. I didn't purchase any new clothes, so it's still all the same. And also another thing that's still the same is I still own the same exact bed frame from my first apartment back in 2017. So, like I said, don't fix something if it's not broken. That's how you waste money. Also, with my desk area, I know it's very small, but it works for me. All I do is sit there, edit videos, plan videos, so I don't need a very large desk because I don't really do that much work where it requires a lot of space. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated apartment tour. If you did, please throw a thumbs up down below, and I will catch you in the next video.